Come flash stava prendendo la macchina e posso in tutto, sto a fare quindi lo sto facendo, assim eles se enganam, se afundam. Não,
Ngeke bagangi kona bagangile ukusukela mina hayi muva le simatha Singana strata to strata siyamatha sowayefanele basivalela indawo sithi fanele bayazi la ukuthi sithi 1 2 3 siyamatha la
because like lo fana ukumlilo isifine sizodilana mangimathi phelile sibonile ukuthi wenzeni so that is why ayile lento siyifunayo ukuthi kusasa kunamakhamba ka secret cameras ne asinankinga mani mathi inkinga yethu ukuthi abanye bayamosha kanti manje inkinga la asilalelanga so manje masinomuntu ozosikhulumela akwazi akalida
phila umlando lalibhala lobajaqa wethu semasibumane sibayintshayo singahlangani nepolitiki kekhe siqonda sithi ngqo uhulumeni uzosilalela ngenkani ngaphezu kwalokho sicela ukuthi masisihlukane ngeke lapha ngenza kwethu singezwa kuthiwa khona osemoshile ngoba sonisho ilungelo lokucomplaina uma ngabe singabantu abazovandalize baphinde belwe simashile more than 1,000 times simasha nala eGoli kodwa kasekonakale lutho nangomhlanje akungonakale lutho kodwa ngeke sime amagoli kwele ngahambi
Thank you so much. This is Councillor Osula here, deployee of Action SA in the city of Johannesburg. We are grateful, really. This was a good day, and I must, commend the Sowetans for the good behavior. We were clear about, today's behavior. We asked our people to ensure that they are at their best behavior. No looting, no acts of criminality, and Sowetans did exactly that. This shows you that these are law-abiding citizens who are concerned about the illegality of migrants that are in the country. And all of us, we are saying the government must really, act swiftly in addressing this problem. And we want this ANC government to declare state of emergency, because this is a ticking time bomb. South Africans have given illegal foreigners until the 30th. Today it is the 30th. Guess what? Some businesses are still operational. Tuck shops are still operational. And this is a provocation of South Africans. But people were at their best behavior, and we really like to thank them, for ensuring that there is no looting, no one should be assaulted, and that happened exactly as we requested.
And how do you